Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today's your Monday upload. Sorry, this is a late upload. Had a lot of things to do, but we're gonna make Mediterranean chicken with Mediterranean vegetables. So I'm gonna use my go-to chicken by Rancher. I did a food review, product review on this by Cindy's Kitchen. Here's that Mediterranean herb. You can see all the flavors in there, and like I said, Cindy's Kitchen. And we got a mix here of Mediterranean vegetables. We have different color bell peppers, we have tomatoes, we have eggplants, we have some garlic and herb in there, and it's in extra virgin olive oil. So let's just get started. We're gonna take this marinade and shake it up a bit, and we're going to want to start just putting this in the pan. You can see the color there. Put your stove on medium, and take your vegetables. If these are not the ones that you want, use the ones of your choice and put those in there. So we're going to just let that heat up a bit, and then we'll throw some more of the marinade in there, and then we'll throw the chicken on there. And this is a meal you can make within 10 minutes. Alright, so you can see that we got the vegetables in there, the Mediterranean. We got that marinade, the one that I was talking about, and we still have the chicken. So make sure you put this on medium and stir it around, and then we'll add the chicken in a cup in like a minute or two. Alright, so we turned that down to medium, and we put more of this herb marinade in there. We're just mixing this about. To be honest with you, you could leave the chicken out and just go with this. This could be a standalone thing. But my channel, like I said, is semi-homemade. It's to give you meal ideas, suggestions, especially for healthy cooks and new recipes like with this Mediterranean. A lot of people have never experienced this before, either have I. So my channel is not always about making things from the beginning. You can take a lot of natural or organic products and put meals together that are healthy for you and your family. So the thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to take this chicken out, and we're going to want to put some chicken in that we feel we want, and we should be set. And then after that, we can plate it. And I'm coming to you today in 1080p high definition, widescreen, POV, point of view. So you can see everything from my eyes. Alright, so we have this on a simmer. You really see that marinade? It's really good. So throw in the chicken that you want. If you have to, turn this back up to medium. And just stir this about. And like I said, this thing, like I said, you can make a meal in 5 to 10 minutes. Look how fast we're doing this. And like with this, if you want to keep it like this, you could. You could still put it over rice, pasta, or even egg noodles. Egg noodles would be really good. So I'm going to turn this up to medium. And I'm going to just get this a little bit more going. But you can see that marinade in there. Alright, so I brought that up to a boil like that. Now turn it off and let it simmer. So you can see that right there, that all that parsley's in there. You've got lemon juice. There's rosemary in there. And like I said, you could do whatever you want with this. I wish you could smell this right now. I could really smell the rosemary and parsley. And that lemon is really peeking out. But that's it. So you can either put it in a bowl or you're going to plate it. Actually, I'm going to bowl this. We'll be back. Actually, YouTube and Facebook, I'm not going to bowl this or plate this. I'm going to actually let this sit in the pan for 10 minutes with it off. The pan is still hot, so all these flavors and different things are going to fuse together. They're going to become one. So here's your Monday upload. Mediterranean chicken with Mediterranean vegetables. 1 pan, so it's easy. You only have to dirty 1 pan and clean it. So today's Monday's upload. Please subscribe, hit the bell for 3 to 5 updates a week. And I'll see you Wednesday and Friday. And maybe throughout the week. So thanks for being a part of my channel. And food should be easy at times, where it could be easy and quick, and you can also eat healthy. Peace, Dansoy.